What's up, chefs? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking nachos. It's chips, it's cheese, it's a bunch of other ingredients. Put it all together. What do you get? Nachos. All right, I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'm gonna show you how I make it, and then you can make it. And we'll all make it together. In this crazy world, we'll have nachos raining from the sky, shooting nacho beams out of our nipples. Kind of weird, but let's get into it. All right, the first step to making nachos is always to open up the bag of chips and have a chip. The key to making nachos is to be consistently eating chips the entire time so that you're very full by the time your nachos are done, okay? Keep pounding these friggin' things throughout the whole time. First thing we're gonna do is cook the meat. Let's go. So as you can see here, I'm gonna use ground turkey. So since we're using turkey, there's not a lot of fat. We're gonna add some oil and we'll just drop this bad boy in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Once your turkey starts browning up, we're gonna add taco seasoning. Something like this you can buy at your grocery store. You can make this, but it's a lot easier to just buy the package, right? This is America. I need things fast and easy now. While your turkey's browning up, there's a couple things you can do, and all of them include eating chips. Just keep eating them. All right, so the turkey's looking pretty cooked up. We want to add some moisture to it, so I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salsa, add some good moisture, and then we'll add our seasoning packet. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna turn the heat down, let this simmer a little bit more, and while it does that, we'll start prepping our veg. All right, we got all of our ingredients prepped up. Now it's time to start making the nachos, okay? Getting kind of full. Making nachos is a lot like painting a picture, right? There's a lot you can do with it. You can get real creative with it. But the main thing that you need is a solid base of chips. You wanna do a nice layer. You don't wanna stack them too much. You want the cheese to touch every chip. It's a little creepy, it wants to touch, all right? Once we get the first layer like this, you got your chips down, you got your cheese on top of it. We're gonna do another layer. We're gonna do a mountain of nachos. More chips, baby. So we'll just do one more good layer of chips here. Again, spreading them out, don't stack them too much. And then we'll add more cheese. Making it rain cheese. Now look, I'm gonna be real with you. I like cheese, okay? So I put a lot of cheese on my nachos. Believe it or not, when I was a teenager, I had an intervention because I was eating too much cheese. Most teenagers have interventions because they're doing drugs. Not me. I was crushing the family budget with cheese. Now I'm all grown up, I'm a world famous YouTube chef, and I can afford all the cheese I want. All right. Too much cheese. All right, so once you get cheese on your chips, then you can add your ground turkey. Throw a little bit of onions on there, various assorted peppers, throw a little bit of refried beans on there, and then you can go ahead and pop it right in the oven there. All right, let's grab this bad boy out. Oh yeah, look at that. That is nachos. Once you pull this bad boy out, then you can put your cold ingredients on it, like your sour cream, your salsa, your cilantro. Now at this point, you can stop eating chips, okay? Because it's time to freaking crunch down on this bad boy. I think we hit nirvana, folks. Come on, man. Come on. You know that feeling? You're in 4th grade, school's out for the summer. You're about to spend the next 3 months partying. That's what this tastes like. Hey chefs, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs down, leave a mean comment, and I'll read it, and I'll probably cry for a little bit, but that's all right. Do what you want to do. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and have a great day.